Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove subtitles in CapCut PC. So for instance, you enable the auto captions. I'll just make this video smaller so it's easier to show you. And I want to remove a subtitle that I added. It's actually super simple to remove. You're just going to zoom in and you're going to select the subtitle that you want to remove. Just press delete on your keyboard or go here and just delete the text altogether, and it's not going to be there. But that's pretty much it. Super simple, by the way. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!